Hi ma'am, we are from Medgate today and today we are at KahoCon 2025. We have a few questions for you ma'am. What are the emerging trends in healthcare quality and patient safety in India?
The emerging trends now with all the healthcare innovation, AI, digital health, these all are the ones which are now emerging, and this conference is also about futuristic healthcare innovation and digital health as well.
What role do staff training and culture play in sustaining quality initiatives post accreditation?
Post accreditation, you need to have a culture of quality. It is not a one time thing, it is an ongoing thing. So it is from the top management onwards. If there is a culture of quality inculcated in the organization, the staff will continue to ensure that they follow all the protocols related to patient safety and quality. And also the training need to be effective. It cannot be only for the accreditation. Training has to be ongoing. If the training is effective, then it enhances the patient outcomes and patient safety as well.
And ma'am, what are the biggest gaps you see in quality implementation across healthcare facilities?
The biggest gap is lack of awareness, lack of resources. These two are the major deficiencies I see.
And ma'am, how are hospitals preparing for future pandemics or health crises on lesson based on COVID-19?
So till COVID-19, healthcare organizations didn't have much of an idea, but these accredited hospitals, they do have this preparedness, disaster preparedness policy mandatory. So for various disasters, both internal, external, including pandemics, and they were better able to manage the hospitals during the pandemic. And COVID pandemic was a lesson for all the hospitals. From that, hospitals have learned well, and hospitals have developed policies and protocols to handle pandemics in the future, and they are training the staff also. Most of the accredited hospitals are carrying out trainings for staff to manage such pandemics in the future.
So ma'am, how you're feeling after being a part of this KahoCon program?
KahoCon happens every year, and I am attending KahoCon from the past many years. Last 7 years I've been attending. It has grown bigger and bigger, and Kaho has become a movement now. And it is one of the most important organizations for quality improvement in our country, and I definitely feel satisfied. And from our hospital, 40 of them are participating in this event.
And ma'am, what role does nurses play in patient safety?
Well, being with the patients 24/7, they are the most integral part of healthcare, and they play a very significant role towards patient safety.
So ma'am, what are the biggest healthcare problems India is facing right now, and what solutions can we provide to them?
The biggest problem which India is facing, one of the major problems is a shortage of nurses, I must say. So they must have some initiatives towards retention of nurses, and also towards improving their salary package, so that we are able to retain the nurses, because as I said earlier, they are the most integral part of healthcare, and if good nurses are there in the country, patient safety and patient outcomes can be better.
Okay ma'am, thank you.